Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be testing out the Gerni foam gun that came with my Gerni 5000 pressure cleaner. So we'll be giving this a test run today and we'll be using it to clean the cheapest manual EL Falcon in Australia. So let's pour some in there. And we only need to about quarter fill this. Okay, so that's about a quarter there. So we'll top that up with water and then we'll start spraying it onto the car and see how it goes. Now your foam spray gun attaches to your standard Gerni pressure washer handle and it just clips in there. And you can then turn it to have it all set up. So let's go. Hey, little deep bar. Hey, little deep. Now as you just saw, this foam gun, which is a freebie basically that came with your Gerni 5000, or that does come with your Gerni 5000 if you don't already have one and you're thinking about buying one, works really well to foam up your car for washing it. So overall I'm really happy with this foam gun. I believe they even sell another one which might be a little bit bigger or better or more fancy. But look, I'm happy with that. I don't think I'll be buying anything else. I'll just be using this. So overall, it works. I mean, you've seen what it does. If you like what you saw, go and buy one. Well, you don't even have to. It comes with your Gerni pressure cleaner. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not your foam gun, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.